why some companies tell you to stick to a dress code, whereas many are okay with what you wear, how you wear, or with your individual fashion choices. How much fashion is too much for a workplace? If this ever concerns you or cross your mind, then you gotta watch it.
Fashion, according to me, is how is your hairstyle, how is your makeup, how is your clothing, what accessories you are carrying, what bag you are carrying, what footwear you are wearing. So fashion, according to me, is which depicts your entire personality. It speaks before you enter for yourself.
What is fashion? Presenting yourself in a creative way is all about fashion, be it with your clothes, with your accessories. So, grooming yourself in such a way that you stand out of the crowd is all about being fashionable.
Fashion is something that is bought. Style is something that you make your own. Look elegant, look smart, it speaks volumes about you.
Fashion at workplace is a big topic in itself, and having worked in different organizations in different countries, I would say one thing is common in every organization, in every corporate. There is at least one person who is fully into fashion, who is fully overdressed, who is fully, either will be too formal or too informal. There is at least one such type of person in every organization. You have to be dressed in a way that you look professional, and by looking professional, it doesn't mean that you have to go too formal. You can be a bit informal, but at the same time professional. Look professional, because at the end of the day, fashion reflects also your personality.
Nowadays, many corporates have their dress codes. When you have people from different backgrounds and cultures working together, there will be different views on what is and what is not appropriate.
Most important points in a fashion, it should be comfortable. You should be confidently carrying that whatsoever you are wearing, whatsoever you're doing the makeup. Secondly, fashion according to the place.
Till you are doing that fashion for yourself is good. You are not doing it for anybody else, or being promoted, or making somebody happy, or pleasing somebody, getting things your way. No.
One should be able to draw a line between informal and formal dressing. Taking into consideration, one has to be professional also. Suppose you're having a meeting with clients and you have to make decision, you have to be taken seriously. And if your dressing is too informal or too much in fashion, like you're going to a fashion show, you might not be taken seriously.
I feel it is important to be elegant at work, but you should be wearing your business casuals. You should see that your elegance comes from inside, not from buying these worldly attires that we have. Keep yourself clean, unwrinkled clothes, well ironed, soft pastel shades, not heavy jewelry. You need to wear the right shoes, your even walking sense, not over made up, too much of perfume or aftershave. All these are not to be used.
I feel it's very important for an employee to wear ironed and clean clothes. Wearing tight and revealing clothing would be too much for a professional environment. If you're allowed to wear t-shirts, wearing t-shirts with offensive messages would be too much. Usage of too much of perfume would be too much of fashion. Some people might be sensitive to fragrance while working with us around. Wearing accessories which might be heavy and used for events like marriages would be too much at workplace.
Till you have confidence that is making you happy and not fall in your eyes, but making you refreshed, making your productivity enhanced, creating positive vibrations around you.
Need to be careful on your necklines, on wearing your ripped clothes, short skirts, sheer looking clothes. These don't speak nice at all. It conveys a wrong body language at work.
In organizations, especially a big large organization, they hire image consultant to help their employees to know how to dress professionally, how to conduct themselves, how to present themselves, and this is doing really very good, and this is also now becoming very popular among even small organizations. Is becoming popular.
Being fashionable is always good, makes you confident.
I've been a working lady from years, but believe you me, the clothes that I wore were very simple. If it's a sari, yes, I would not even wear sleeveless because I felt it didn't speak very nice about me. My attire was with what the system wanted, what my setup wanted, and I was very happy with that. So
To stop, of course, when you start losing that respect for yourself, which comes from within, you should stop there.
where does this elegance come from? You do what you can and you wear what you have. You also have to balance that. Let's not define our success on the foundation of fashion.
Many would say, how you deliver your work is more important. I agree. But when you're working in an office, you're representing your organization and whatever image it wants to portray.
Fashion adds that awe factor. It adds that feel alive factor to life. So
Appearance does matter a lot. People do judge us with the first look is important, but it certainly isn't as important as the amount of performance you put in at work.
Also, that fashion is at the end of the day, it's a business also. So you can see nowadays there are many outlets, many boutiques. They are promoting professional type of fashion. So professional fashion, I can say. So they have a section dedicated to corporate world or to working people.
Remember, people gather respect from your approach to work, and your reputation is at what you do and not from your attire. So when
Yeah, it does matter how the people are dressed, but at the end of the day, productivity matters. If the person is providing good inputs, then it's okay, but it shouldn't be taken too lightly, those fashion sense. And
As an individual in a perfect world, one is judged by skills, expertise, and personality. Remember, at the end of the day, fashion is a huge part of one's personality. So, choose your fashion carefully.
my perception is you need to work on the corporate culture. It's better to be a little backward in your thinking when it comes to work. Every country has their own way of working, their own culture of your attire to work. We Indians, we believe in being more formal, and I feel that really does look nice. All of you, let's get down to the basics that we need to show our skills at work, not our fashion of clothes.
Think again, if your fashion is impacting your productivity or others for that matter. Are you infusing an overwhelming high dose of it or too modest inadequately